The warning check digital key system in Hyundai cars is pretty new, so the problem is that when you go to the dealership, the technicians will most likely tell you that they've never seen this before and need a day or two to diagnose all the connected modules. The truth is they have no idea what the problem is, and it's clearly connected with the BlueLink. What the dealer will do is to contact BlueLink and will try to fix the warning by resetting the car's software according to what BlueLink tells them to do. By the way, BlueLink is a separate company or department that works with its own software, and it's actually quite scary that the dealership doesn't even have access to that software and its inspections. Anyway, there are two scenarios for Hyundai cars that show this check digital key system warning. The first one is the most common. You just see it several times during a day or two, and then it disappears and never bothers you again. Well, this is just a glitch that may be caused by a battery voltage drop or some communication error, or maybe you've put something on the wireless charger and now the system is puzzled since it communicates with the digital key through the wireless charger. But anyway, if it's gone, it's gone. There is no need to worry about it. And this is what happens in most cases. The second scenario is quite tricky. If you see the warning constantly, there is probably a communication problem between modules. And if you scan the car for codes, now, with a professional Hyundai compatible scanner, you will see a bunch of U trouble codes. This should be inspected by the dealership since the car should still be under warranty. And I know about several solutions such as the IBU software update, which is the integrated body control unit, or also the wireless charger software update. There are certainly other issues, but the statistics are hard to get to and the dealerships tend to be silent about the actual culprits. Anyway, this is not something you can do on your own. What you can try to avoid even going to the dealership is to deactivate the digital key in the settings of your vehicle, unpair the phone and then pair it again, or disconnect the 12-volt battery for several minutes to reset the control modules in your car. Unfortunately, the problem is yet to be investigated better with more cases, but I hope the information in this video helps you get rid of the annoying message anyway.